Good afternoon, friend. Today I am going to talk about male sterility and its type. Male sterility is characterized by non-functional pollen grains, while female gametes function normally. It occurs in nature sporadically, perhaps due to mutation. And types of male sterility generally genetic male sterility, temperature sensitive genetic male sterility, photo period sensitive genetic male sterility, transgenic male sterility, cytoplasmic genetic male sterility, cytoplasmic genetic male sterility, and chemical induced male sterility. So, what is genetic male sterility? 70 male sterility genes reported in maize, 25 in rice, 64 in tomato, and ordinarily governed by single recessive gene MS, but dominant gene in safflower, cotton, wheat. A male sterile line is maintained by crossing it with heterozygous male fertile plants. In genetic male sterility, the male sterility is governed by the gene and temperature sensitive male sterility. The complete male sterility is produced by male sterility gene at higher temperature 23.3 degrees centigrade or higher for rice TGMS line when pi AI 645, but temperature below critical point it exhibits normal fertility, and Indian lines CM5 38 CM38 JP2 JP385 and what is PGMS? PGMS means photo period sensitive genetic male sterility. Expression of male sterile genes drastically affected by prevailing photo period and provided the temperature is within a critical stage. Critical ranges, not stage, critical range like 23 to 29% degree centigrade for rice PGMS. Within this range, complete sterility is obtained in rice plant growing under long day condition 13 hours 45 minute day hours, but under short day they are almost normal fertile. Temperature above critical lead to male sterility. Sensitive period range from the differentiation or secondary rachis to the formation of pollen mother cell. PGS rice in China. Detailed study in rice found that the MS gene we have as photoperiod sensitive genetic male sterility or TGMS, depending the genetic background, lines the 50475 PGMS and W6154 TGMS have same male sterility gene from Nong-Kang 58 structural male sterility. The stamen absent or modified. Sporogenous male sterility, abnormal microsporogenesis, pollen mother cell from abnormal meiosis. And third point, functional male sterility, the normal pollen do not dehiscence tomato. And last, transgenic male sterility, Barnage bar star system by Mariani in 1990 The Barnett gene Bacillus amyloliquefaciens encodes RNase when it is driven by TA29 promoter and TA29 gene of tobacco. It expressed only in tapetum cell, causing their degeneration. And Bar star gene from the same bacterium encode a protein which is highly specific to inhibitor or Barnett RNase. Therefore, transgenic plant expressing both are fully male fertile, and Barnett gene is targeted with the gene bar streptomyces, which confer resistance to herbicide phenothrixine. Male sterile line is maintained by crossing with a male fertile line. 1:1 of progeny is obtained. Utilization of GMS in plant breeding: hybrid seed production. Pollen dispersal from the male pollinator lines should be good for satisfactory seed set in female line in USA, castor, India, Arhar. Cytoplasmic male elasticity. The male elasticity is governed by the cytoplasm. In cytoplasmic male elasticity is governed by the cytoplasm, and progeny of such male sterile would always be male sterile because cytoplasm of zygote comes primarily from egg cell, and transfer of CMS by backcross method, and it requires 6 to 7 backcrossing, useful in certain ornamental species or where vegetative part of the economic use like chili, petunia, beta vulgaris and nicotiana. CGMS. This is the cause of CGMS, cytoplasmic genetic male elasticity, where a nuclear gene R for restoring fertility in the male sterile is known, and R gene is dominant and used in maize, jowar, bajra, sunflower, rice, wheat, cotton, and R gene can be transferred. First, this is crossed with the male sterile line, then F1 is crossed with another strain in which it is to transfer. Thank you.